Felix. Nitako kelu nukecho bilo changa mira odagi weyo to yaga bendo yo kodongo diye Rootsman. How are you, Rootsman? Baba. I see Kaltina. Samalungo hina Anita Kaltina on the bar. Okay, look at you good. Look at you below China. I see the king knows the way. Kivo. I see Pantu. Metro Goma. The shackles on the vibe. I don't have Royal on the vibe. Royal Catella 001. How are you? Kanyaka Kanyaka analyst on the vibe. Kenny, oh, yeah. Kenny, oh, yeah. I sit down. Ha ha. Yagobo magonduma, ukenda kenudinga. Sonny, yeah. Hi, Sonny. Ha ha. Sonny, yeah. Have you seen Sonny? I see Sonny. Hi, oh, Michelle. Auntie dear. Hello, Sonny, Auntie. Sonny. Sonny dale, ooh, Sonny dale, Auntie D, yada go que no we want, yada go que no we want. I see videos on the vibe, Zubulanga, Zubulanga Munyai, my brother. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm fine. Yeah, I've been sick. I'm now getting a bit better. Okay, my name is Maka, guys. For those who are watching, I see Sonny. Sonny, where are you watching from? Zovulanga, please inbox me. Pelekea beti pia kule. Pelekea beti ya kule. Sawa. Out of bond. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Why, Sonny? Levo. Joseph, Zubulanga, have you seen Zubulanga? Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kabila Karanja on the vibe. Sonia Lali, Shalvin the vibe. Out of bond. Sheria. Black Panther. Trenio. I see Trenios on the fiber. How are you, my brother? Out of bond. I see my brother is watching on YouTube. This Betty, Luonge R. Ayo, my brother. I'm finding the beautiful lady. I'm getting better now. How is Israel? How is Emila? Shalom, shalom. Ilodi juona nago kamodi onge kivero shangazi beba. Ololo shangazi. Avisi Monica. Andre Sumo. Have you seen Shangazi Baba? My brother from Israel. My man from Israel. A man from Israel. Mwana Ululu Baba. Have you seen Maka? Kalugo Shangazi. I stand the fire. I am Mora Apollo Shangazi. I did that. You are so late. No. You know, I told you that I have a funeral, so we were working on how to transport the body, and right now the crowd is in the other side, so I say I have to stream before I leave. But me, I will not leave. I will not travel with back to Siaya. No, I'll be here. Hi, but let me tell you, editor. My name is Maka Mugenda, not Maka Mukenda. Yeah, one of my aunts passed. Yeah, Kigo. Out of bond, let me go, let it. Edita. Have you seen my brother from Israel on the vibe? Listen, don't do Shangazi Pema wanna see you edita. Shangazi Pema wanna see you edita. Dakimiela nyatiti. Davido Udumba edita. Beautiful edita. Jebisia. Alumani editor. Jamel mama. Mama Jose on the vine. Have you seen Mama Jose? Oh, Eddie. Have you seen Latino Award. Lord God, Stefano to the vibe. Lord God. Have you seen Cosma? How you guys? Where's Maka Muganda? I see Shata Hero Money. How you? Aparoyo also in the vibe. People watching. Where's Maka Muganda? Leviva also in the vibe. How are you, Leviva? Jimmy, never. The instrument is called nyatiti. For those who are watching on YouTube, subscribe. And also there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat if you like the vibe. Also there's a PayPal. If you're willing, you can tip. Yeah. Your username is Maka Muganda on YouTube, TikTok. It's just a morning vibe. Yeah, guys. We're just morning. It's a morning, but we're also morning in another way. Leviva, also the vibe. The instrument is called nyatiti. Akatope. I see akatope. No, makai. Katungu. Yeah, Jalachana. How are you, my brother? Lolo, I got you. I got you. The method. Lolo, I got your light. I got your light shine to you. Your light shine to me. I light shine to you. Method now. Lolo, I got you. Method. Lolo, I got to be. Lolo, I got to be. Lolo, I got to be. Ayo. Have you seen Smoker? Your light shine to you. Yeah. Let me recharge bundles, guys. If you like the vibe, subscribe also. You can. I'm really sorry for those who are watching on YouTube. I normally use YouTube to recharge bundles. Bro, I don't know how to appreciate you, your light shine, bro. You've been doing good to me. You've been supporting, man. May God bless you. Let me play for you one song, your light shine. Mugenda maja kwa ya olingoma. Sophia, Judiciela. Oh, me boy, may I be with you, Andrea. May I be with you, Judah is silent. May I be with you, oh Jalite, oh Jalite, oh Jalite. Hey, hey. Have you seen me over Andrea? Jalite, Janko, Jalite, I Judah. Have you seen Noor, Christian, Monica on the vibe, Judia, Judah, Jalite, I wanna jump with Jalite, Judia, yeah, Ungela maja kwaya, along the Jalite shine, Smoker, thank you, Smoker. Smoker on the vibe, Smoker on the vibe, Smoker on the vibe. When I'm singing to Jah, Jah, may Jah shine to you, Smoker more. May Jah shine to you, Judy Sila, Sila. I silent. Judah, Judah also the mind. Your light shine to you. Obongo nyakalaga. Samo kweda gweda. Toko no bendo gwedu. Samo kweda goani. Toko no bendo gwedu. May God bless you, Judah. I see never. Never, you die, seal, you die, seal. Oh, Jah light shine, oh, Jah light shine. Nobody can stop Jah, nobody can stop Jah, nobody can stop Jah. Ooh. Nobody can stop you. Your light, your light, your light, your light. like shine on. Tango magora Diego. I smoke ammo. Diggy diggy Bombay. Diggy diggy Bombay. Diggy diggy Bombay. You die seal. Diggy diggy Bombay. Ooh, ooh. Richie on the vibe. Oh, baby. Ah, baby. Bambe, bambe. Ha ha. I see. Thank you so much, guys. Mr. Makamugenda. Afro Kali is on the vibe. Yeah, light shine. May God bless you. I see you die. Saila. Mama Saila. Judy Saila, the survivor. Survivor. Oh, the survivor. Judy Saila, the survivor. Hey, it's just a vibe. Odinga Glen. You the survivor. Die survivor. You die silent. Oh, survivor. Ah, survivor. Aye. Your light, are you survivor? Losing my hello. And go survivor. Let's it Odinga. Ah, survivor. The Judy Saila, the only survivor. Ah. Len wachana mera. Indagojo jawanya mapunye maruga. Ayo. Kalongo survivor. The Judy survivor. Jala shine survivor. Lily survivor. Omoni. Nara Gembe survivor. Indimielato. Lucas Arek. Dibana. Dibana. Judaya. Die survivor. Nagoni bunga. Can you dance survivor? Judy still. I see Lucy Maya, dramatic queen. I your light, your light. Malania, thank you so much, your light. Kalungo survivor. I see Virgin my lover. How you die, survivor? Maka, how are you? I'm just jamming here. No worry in Africa. Pajede, how are you? Pajede, man, I was in the vibe. People watching, I have to continue the vibe. Thank you, God, vibe, Maka. Maya, how are you? Ayala also on the vibe. People watching my Maka Muganda if you like the vibe. Let me show you the instrument I'm playing. This instrument I'm playing is called nyatiti. One of the old instruments from western part of Kenya, guys. If you like the vibe, just tell me. Tell a friend. I see. Are you fine? Why are you fine? What? I will sing for sure. Jai Rockstar. Olultola. Gadapia. Joy. Digital on the vibe. Where the river flow, Alusha. Where the river flow, Alusha. There was a man with a healing hand. There was a man with a healing hand. There was a man with a healing hand. Losing my hand. There was a man with a healing hand. With a what? They were yeah, Obimba. They were Jaberu bende Buddha joy. Oh yeah, Aja, in the beginning, Aja, Luzimaya. Oh, Jala, missing. Yes, I win Hayawa. Moto. No. No, I don't wear. I don't wear. I see you in nyatiti. See, how are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm now getting a bit better. Why are you asking? If you like the vibe, subscribe on YouTube, guys. And also, there's a super chat on YouTube, baby. There's a super chat on YouTube, guys. Also, you can donate in my super chat, or if you're willing, there's a PayPal. You see, there's a PayPal or super chat. Oh, why? Love the vibe. Yakani also there. Just 1 second, I want to recharge the bundles. I don't know how many people are using my Wi-Fi. I see Baba whining. Ayo, Yenis on the vibe. Baby, Lana was on the vibe. Longer, baby. Baby. Just 1 second, let me put my tripod in a good position. Baby, where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? I see Lucy Miles on the vibe. Just keep on watching. Stray Cause house on the vibe. Huh? I see Lucy. ISM. Shaulia. Edgar on the vibe. Popkin player. Dora on the vibe. I visit Lucy Maya, Queen Donna, Rui Ragura. Wirakura bende. Wirakura bende. Washington. Wira. Mama Africa. Emalungo Shalina. Wirago. Have you seen my dear? Charlie, Coca-Cola, Charlie, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, Charlie, love at Thanksgiving. Gonna Ayo, digi, Charlie. Have you seen Lucy Mine? So cute and spicy. Undigestible. So cute. So cute and spicy. So cute. So cute. So cute. I see so cute on the vibe. And a Sony Kalia Tomuta Kalimba to the Viper Kalito Muta I love the Muta Tomura Just a vibe. Hi guys, thank you so much. I see Judah also on the vibe. Keep on watching if you like the vibe. Subscribe on YouTube. There's a super chat on YouTube, guys. You can donate in my YouTube like this. So cute and spicy. You are so cute. I really appreciate. And also, if you're willing, you can tip through PayPal. For those who are watching, my name's Mark. I'm playing traditional instrument. The instrument is called nyatiti. It is a low traditional instrument from western part of Kenya. I really appreciate your time, everyone who's watching. Yeah, I wanna talk to God now. Spicy Kalimba, Kalimba. Guys, now I'm recovering. I've been sick. I'm now getting better. Imalema. So cute and spicy. Valencia, Achida, Ariolo. I see Thailand. So cute and so spicy. My God in your eye. My God, you so good. Have you seen Renata? So cute. So cute and spicy. Timaya. Simai, Renata on the vibe. Osamaya, Roberto. Nyatiti, Kalimba. Nyatiti. Babaleshi. Have you seen that? More lights on the vibe. More lights on the vibe. Kalimba no busoga. Ayo. Embrace. Guys, I'm not feeling good. Let me take water. Divine, how are you? There's a text I see here, but I Tawai. I'll be there. Don't worry. I'll be there. Davin, thank you so much. Keep on watching. So cute. For those who are watching on YouTube, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Subscribe. Also, there's a super chat. Like for more songs. Valencia, thank you so much. You can donate in super chat if you're watching on YouTube, and also there's a PayPal. I give you my heart. Aye. Catriola. Aisim Kalimba. Oh, Katiana. So cute. And spicy. And spicy. Have you seen Valencia? Have you seen so cute and spicy? Yeah. Katiana, shake your booty. Katiana, shake your booty. I don't know. Minita, shake your booty. Yasiko, Yasiko, shake your booty. Ngora bora, ngora nyatiti. Have you seen my guy Valencia? Arakilla kumamaka, Mama Limpopo, Mama shake your body. Ayo, with ya. Mama shake your body. Silo. Canyo, canyo. Canyo, canyo. Canyo, canyo. Winyanie. Winyanie. Winyana, yeah, yeah, yeah. I will see Ruira Kura. Shake your body, shake your body. When the night, shake your body. Only to shake your body. Can you shake your body? Body too nice. Have you seen one too nice, yeah? Never 3 nights. Where's Queen Chennai? I want to sing to Queen Chennai now. Anyone with a comment? Subscribe on YouTube if you like the vibe. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. There's a super chat you can donate in super chat, and also there's a PayPal if you like the vibe. You can tip. 1, 2, losing my 3. 1, 2, losing my 3. Ready? Are you ready for Queen Chennai? The only queen. Yeah. Brighter than the noonday sun, brighter than the noonday sun. Umalongo jena ye, Ololo kunjena. I see the Gaza. I have decided to sing to Queen Chennai, my little babe, brighter than the noonday sun. Emilia, Queen Chennai, itumken magoniga. Yatumo kwenya malungiga, Ololo luzimaya. Have you seen Queen Chennai? Yeah, nothing to do with Naga. Below, I see love, Jerry Della. Oh, Queen Chennai, Queen Chennai. Oh, Queen Chennai. Agui, are, Judia, Akira Mondavan. Omondi. When can you smile? Hey, can you smile? Music Maya. Wanna see Queen Chennai? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, Tumagoni Pinyumaru, Tumagoni Pinyumaru. Ayo, thank you so much, Trish Khan. It's a beautiful song to Jenna. Oh Jenna, aye, Jenna, Jenna, yeah. Nothing to do with that little dollar. Yeah. danser, mera danser, Lucy danser, ah danser. Ah, ah, yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you like the vibe. That. Good morning. Centriana, how are you doing? I'm fine. It's just vibing. I'm okay. Thank you so much. If you like the vibe, my name is Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. There's a YouTube channel you can follow, subscribe. Also, there's a super chat. If you're willing, you can donate in super chat or PayPal. Silva. Yeah, I see my guy. Shelly, Joy Shari. Davavi, show us the vibe. Sat on the vibe. Sonic on the vibe. JJP. Maria Mama. Maria Mama. Have you seen Sarah? Maria Mama. Samantha. Oh, Samantha. Kejiji. Hello, Samantha. Judy's child. Didn't know Samantha. Samantha is from UK. Sonny. Just yeah. And I Jonathan. My people in the light. Good night. Yakanalia. From have you seen Samantha? Samantha, yeah. Nothing you put no mama. You die silent. You die, yeah. Have you seen Kanutu? Joy, where's Joy? Joy, she, where are you? No, you are kind. Barbara, sword. Barbara, baby, Joshua, my jabber. Joy, mama, Abebo, mama, it is not tired. Samantha, Abebo, mama. Have you seen Judy Silva? Samantha dance. Big Mama. Nadine dance. Ronaldo the vibe, Lucima. Bineno Maya. Big Olia. Bineno Maya. Ayo. Joy, I'm willing for joy. Yeah. Joy, nothing don't get better. Joy, losing my other boy. Samantha dancing. Thank you, Samantha. Samantha dancing. Thank you, Samantha. Maria mama, Maria, Samantha shake, Samantha da, bena, I don't know my, you gonna be my cocorico. Ayo, have you seen the dragon king on the back? I'm from Kenya, Samantha. Beautiful Samantha. Thank you so much for donating in my super chat, Samantha. May God bless you. I really appreciate from my heart. I really appreciate from my heart. I love you so much. Thank you so much, everyone who is watching. May God bless you. My name is Maka Mugenda, jamming with the vibe. Every day is a vibing day with Maka Mugenda. Yeah. If you like the vibe, just subscribe, watch. Just 1 second. 1 second, guys. I'm coming. Hey. I have been sick. I'm from Kenya. I'm from Kenya. Beautiful. Samantha, you are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Without makeup. Why have you been sick? I've been I have a malaria by that time. I don't wear makeup. Yeah. Let me recharge the bundles. For those who are watching on YouTube, just 1 second. Samantha, 1 second. I want to recharge bundles. Don't leave. It's called nyatiti. Alexia, have you seen nobody? Karima muganga, oh Samantha muganga, can you dance muganga? Alexia, oh nobody, Karima muganga, Karima muganga. Nobody. Samantha dancing your ding ding. Samantha nyakawere. That's one of the beat, new rhythm. Yeah. I see Prophet also in the vibe. Let me sing one song to Mental all Racon. Thank you so much. If you like the vibe, please subscribe. Prophet One Provide. I see nobody. Did you see nobody? Vicky also on the vibe. I see beautiful lady by the name. Bebo. Around, look around, painting her. Thank you so much. I still lost my mind. What I saying? Stop it. I want to sing to Samantha. Samantha, are you there? Samantha. Oh, Samantha. Samantha, this is your song now. Can you allow me to vibe to Samantha now? I see Judy. Oh, Samantha. Oh, Shelly. Shelly. Where's Joy? I wanna sing, I wanna go. Oh, Samantha. Oh, Samantha. Jango malai call Samantha. Mugenda let me call Samantha. Yolena, where are you? Yolena, Tabo. Joy, Joy, Joy. My heartbeat, my galem, my jabel, my rambanya, abuju buju. Yonia. I wanna sing, I wanna. I wanna sing to Samantha, Makai. I wanna jump in the joy, oh my, oh my, Jolena, have you seen Samantha? Beautiful joy, mama. Losing my oh my oh my oh my oh my oh my Jolela, have you seen Samantha? Imalim, Aya Imalim, Adi Imaim, Betaya. Ha ha. I want somebody now to Sunderland. I want somebody now to Sunderland. Sunderland, Jolena Dabon, 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 Jolana, Dabon, Jolena, Dabon. Can you stand up? That's it. Yo, yeah, yo, yeah, yeah. I will see joy. Ah, joy, joy. Ah, joy. Money, Can you stand that? Can you stand that? Can you stand that? Some other dancing, some other dancing. Are you shaking? Last year, are you fast? Are you bending? Yolena, tabo, 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 tabo. Oh, Samantha, yeah, yeah. Alva, the big Alva, hello Alva, yeah, Alva, 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 yeah, Jolene, Jolene, Alva, Avicenna, Jolene, Jolene, Daro Jolene, Sammy, Saman, Lucy, my eyes. Luma, yo yo, Luma, Luma, right like a bluma, Alva, like Alva. Now they can't lose it. Ha ha. Yeah. I wanna consult my ancestors, Maka. I wanna consult my ancestors. Allow me, allow me. Yolala, ayo. Shake your bambe, Bluma, shake your bambe. Yolala, shake your bambe. Zimaya, shake your bambe. Samantha, shake your body. Samantha, I, hey. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Global Military. Yes, sir. Subscribe. Also, there's a super chat. Also, if you are willing, you can tip through PayPal. Jolena, if you have something in your PayPal, you can throw to me here. Yeah, my name is Makamuganda. I see Nyawano. Military. Like a soldier. Global Military. Like a soldier. Hey, soldier. Hi. Nyawano. I am really happy to see global military. And you're on the vibe. How are you, Uncle? Guys, if you like the vibe, you can donate in super chat, or if you're willing, there's a PayPal. Yolena, I think you can have my WhatsApp number. Lucy Maya, do you have cash app? Yeah, so I think Jolena, you can send it to Lucy Maya. so that she will send it to me, because here we don't use that cash app. Please. I don't know cash app. Oh, who is this? Yolena, you don't have PayPal. Guys, keep on watching Smaka Muganda Damut Petita Restaurant. I see super chat. You take that your percentage. If I see. Okay, Yolena, you can use PayPal. Nyawano, have you seen hey, cow and mustache? What's that? Nyaramba. Have you seen Nyaramba Nyaramba? Yolena, do you use WhatsApp? Kalungo nyawano. Hello nyawan. Kalungo nyawano. Nyawano. Aye nyawano. Aye nyawano. Kalungo bluma. Kololo bluma. Nyaramba penjaga. Nyaramba penjaga. Nyawano mama. Mama chemutai. Nyawano mama. Nyawano, good morning. How are you doing? Yolena, do you use MoneyGram? I think now MoneyGram now you can use. MoneyGram you can use. If you use, yeah, you have Western. Yes, Yolena. Okay, take my WhatsApp number, Yolena. You will text me later on my WhatsApp number. Yolena, are you ready for my WhatsApp number? So that you will text me later. You can write it down. When you are ready, just tell me. The instrument is called nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo traditional instrument. This is the instrument I'm gone. Yeah, it's called nyatiti. If you like the vibe, guys, subscribe. I take a gun. You don't care online. Yeah, just take it. Yolena, just take it. When you are ready, let me know. Nyawano, let me. Okay, start with the +254. Luzimaya, you can just write it down. Oh, okay. +254 720 15 9271. +254 720 15 9271. Ya Wanyawala, mimi hata kama nimeweka namba yangu, mimi hakuna kitu mtu anaweza ni hack nayo yai. Hakuna kitu mtu anaweza iba kwangu. How are you doing? I'm fine. I got it. +254 +254 720 15 9271. Text me. I'll share with you. Yep, let's continue bwana. Wacha nikunywe maji bwana. Yolena, text me so that I'll share my details. Yeah, Zero Bruce have you seen Samarita? Samarima, not Samarita. You know this is a traditional music. Have you seen Karamba? Karamba Bud Imalima Karamba Bud Jolena Ina Jolena Ima Ina Jolena. Have you seen Yawano? Yawano mama, Yawano in the house. Yawano mama, Yawano mama. How are you? Imaya. Have you seen this? What's about the song? Ajachote manigi power. Him from US, bro. Ima wachane bwana. Ima wachane, hugs from US. Maka Mugenda, please reveal the community give. Okay, I'll do it. For that author, the Wajugi is coming now. Ima. Okay, the song is about there was young man in our area by the name Otoyo. Otoyo was a close friend to my grandfather. My grandfather, okay, it's not my real grandfather. My grandfather, yeah. My grandfather, was a musician, so I inherit the music from that generation. So this is a guy, he liked to seduce ladies, yeah. He seduced more than as normal, yeah. So Maka father, Mark Ofwenya is my grandfather, is called Ofwenya. Ofwenya is to discover. Yeah, Mark Ofwenya is Mark Ofwenya. Mark Ofwenya is my grandfather. Yeah, so this is a song that my grandfather composed to that young man who was a man of the seducology. The guy who's with the ability of seducing many ladies. Ima, are you there? Ima. Ima, I don't know if Ima is there. Okay, let's continue. Ima! So you are inventing the song. Ima wachane baba. Yeah, mungina. Baba, Ima, are you there? Ima ijakanye bwana. Ijakanye bwana. You know, hey, people ask how I tune the instrument. This is how I do it. Thank you so much, Kinugunde. Imanyalo chogi. Omeri Jakanye, where you from? Thank you so much, Kinugunde. Yeah. I'm a beast in the line. People ask me my kind. Well, I'm not my kind. Let me call him my Ima donga longo lumane. Omera donga jokoni. O uma pasha. Luma bebudo. Avesi pluma. Luma ya ye. Kunigunde. Beautiful kunigunde. Yeah. Beyond the bar. When I'm singing to you, Ima, Omera Bika, yeah. Where are you, Ima? They wanna see you, boy. I see Bluma. Ojo and Aloma. Ima Busaga. Atego Busaga. Ayo. Ima Busaga. Madame also in the vibe. Ima Ijakanye. Can you allow me to talk to Ima in my language, please? Just 1 second. Ima Baba Ijakanye. Ima Iwinja bwana Ijakanye. Nyar Kisumu modaka wasunge koni. Hey, donge koru aweri maber. An nyako. Koru aweri gi nyako. Nyingi no ma nyako. Kora do weri kinyako kali. Are you ready for that? Oh, okay, let me tell you guys, in my culture, nyatiti high percentage, the instrument is about just making people happy, and also you tell your name, where you are, and the musician compose something special for you, and now you shake your body. I can't even remember. That's all about the tradition. There's a lot of wind, guys. I'm really sorry. In my beauty, Ukimona in my studio, when you see him, mama, when you see Yakisumala, Toyamo, puto samalongo ima. Nyakisumu mama, Nyakisumu dala, Nyakisumu dala. Ladi, ima mama shisaluo. Hey, yaluo nano nyuolo kanyako. Ayo, odaku mana pinyu asonge. Odaku pinyu down asong. You know, Ima was not born on Mera. Ima was created on one day. Mayamo puto, Mr. Mango the Vai. Yamo puto, Kilungo Ima Ima. Nyisanyiko mama Ima. What's the name of your mother? Luma, wanna know you. Bronson can you dance? Nyatitina, Ima miel na nyatitina. Ima inyar ngayawa. Hold that here. Uluma, minu nyar korumba, nyar korumba, manyar korumba. Adiambo, nyar adiambo, nyar adiambo, nyar adiambo, nyar korumba, nyar korumba. My Nicaradis, Adisumama, Imale, Benunega, Oriti Imba, Yaradiambo, Yaradiam, Yaradiambo, Yaradiam, Yaradiambo. Ima nhiều năm là có lan kende. Hey, tomates. Your song. I know Susan of your song, yeah, Jabel. Don't have to worry. Don't worry less. Jabel, Nyakisumu. Koro panga, ane lueti. Panga jatuh. Orna migolo lo kanya tewa. Thank you so much for those who are watching on YouTube. My name is Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. If you like the vibe, you can subscribe on YouTube, and also there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat, and there's a PayPal or M-Pesa. If you like the vibe, you can tip there. Mateko ongeza thewa. Tokoroki wena soda moka nyamad. Lucy Maya, thank you. Username. Don't understand what I'm saying, Lucy Maya. Just 1 minute. Lucy Maya. Username. Just 1 second, guys. What do you call him on Baba? Details, think really important. Preserve your culture, being good. Just your record. Your details. Bank details. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Makam Genda. For now, I have to relax, guys. Have a nice time. May God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Lucy Maya, Asante Sana. Thank you. Have a nice time. I have to leave. Thank you. Until in the evening. Ciao, ciao.